Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Woodmere, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves are challenging as it involves a lot of overwhelming tasks. For instance, finding a new school for your kids or adjusting to a new neighborhood and moving. When you're moving long distance, it's necessary to find a moving company that is trustworthy and reliable. 3 Movers is a renowned moving company that you can rely upon. We offer moving services at reasonable prices, and we can complete your move efficiently and effectively. We also offer a variety of options for your long-distance move. Our goal is to make your move as easy as possible. Moving shouldn't be the thing you need to worry about. Hire a professional moving company and let them handle your long-distance move. A local Woodmere move may seem enough, but it's as challenging as a long-distance move. Your stuff still needs to be packed in different boxes, and the lifting is something you can't do alone. Therefore, hiring a professional moving company makes the move hassle-free. 3 Movers is a local moving company that can help complete your move on time. We can complete your local move in one afternoon, and we can take care of every aspect of your local move while you worry about settling into your new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Woodmere moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.